Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install Canon L11121e printer driver on Windows 10 PC or your laptop. But first, check your special offer in the description. Let's get started. So, if you're looking for the driver for this one, well, this is kind of complicated. Now, where do you download the actual driver? Well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to access what architecture your PC is running on. So to do that, what we need to do is you want to go to your search here, just type in system info, and you want to open up system information here. Now under system information, you want to go to system summary, and you want to go ahead and look for system type. Now currently I have an x64 based PC. Now it depends on your PC, so if you're using, like, let's just say Windows 10, it's either x64 or x32, so go ahead and just remember that. Now, once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do is you want to access one of the links. Now, depending on what architecture you have, so either 32-bit or 64-bit, you want to download the exact one. So, for example, you want to download the 64-bit here if you want to make it work on a 64 or a x64 architecture on your Windows PC. Now, by the way, I'll be including the link at the description. Make sure to check that. So in this case, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and download this. So you may need to log in or create your account, or you can go and just click on download here. Let's go and click on the allow. And from here, it's going to start downloading. Let's go and just wait for a bit here until the download is complete. And it's now done. Let's go and click on our downloads here. Click on the folder. And what we need to do next is you want to go and just extract this. So you could go and just right click on this one. And let's go ahead and open this with, let's click on open. Let's go and click on open. And let's just wait for a while. It's going to start extracting the files inside of it, so it might take a while, so let's just wait for it. You have this one. You go and click on the setup here, so the printer driver. Go and click on next. It's now going to give you the license agreement here. You can go and click on yes. If you want to agree to this one, let's go and click on yes. Now from here, you can go and choose either the install with USB connection. So if you have this connected to a USB, like your printer is already connected, you can go and choose install with USB connection, or you can go and choose the manual set port to install. You can go and click on next here. So either one, so if you want to set the manual port here, but I would highly suggest you to choose the install with USB connection, as this is the easiest one. You just need to connect your printer so that it automatically detects your printer. Now, once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and set a few things. Now, the port, if you've chosen a port option here, you need to choose your USB port. Let's go and choose one in here. And from here, you can go and choose your printer name as well. And if you want to set this as your default printer. Now, from here, it's going to give you the whole installation, the printer list here. You can go and click on start to start the installation process. And once it's done, it should now be installed into your PC. And that's about it. So, for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.